What's going on YouTube? It's MrSettin007 working on the BMW 535i. Right now I'm doing the oil change. As you can see, I got the car on jack stands, all four, because I'm going to be working on the oil, and I'm looking into doing the manual transmission oil as well. But you know, just took out the drain plug. I'm going to be working on that. I'm going to also show you where you can see about changing the filter for the oil. I have a man filter here, and this is the location. Sorry about this. I had a coolant leak recently, so I have to get this power washed. This is a 17mm up here. You're going to unscrew that, loosen it, grab onto this, drop it down, and the filter's in there, and you're going to reverse. Like and subscribe. Alright, continuing with the oil change. You can tell this is in a different style filter compared to the new one that I have. On the actual container, well, the housing, it says, I believe it says like pure lighter or something, the type of filter that it expects you, or the stage you should use here. That's obviously from original factory. So what we have here, as I mentioned before, I had a coolant leak, so there's going to be oil down the edges there. So what we're going to do is I'm going to spray it like a degreaser just to clean it off the side of the engine. Down into the pan down there. After I get that down, and I'm going to wipe it down. I'm going to, of course, take the long screw out, clean that, replace everything. I have a new gasket, new filter. That's going to go inside. It's a brand new filter here, correct filter. It's a man filter. And I have all the internals, the gaskets, crush washer, things of that nature. I'm going to be working on this E28, cleaning it up, going over the wiring, going over the harness. You know, I did the water pump. I'm going to check a few other things, change a few belts. Obviously there's a electric fan here. I had to rewire that, do that over. And, you know, try to have some fun with it. Like and subscribe.